Welcome students, we've been given a beautiful question. Now we got a square. Now within the square there is another square that has been embedded with. So let me draw that square. Okay, so this is the diagram and you got a square within a square. So the area of this inner square is 100 units and we expected to find this entire length, and this is given to be as 6 units. Now it's a square, right? And since it is a square, clearly we know that this is 90 degrees. That's the observation. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90, right? So we don't know this length, so that is the requirement, but this distance is given. This is 6 units. Now what I wish to do is I would like to take this angle to be a sum alpha, this angle to be sum beta. Now since I've told you that it is a square within a square, so this angle is going to be 90. So clearly from this triangle we can see that alpha plus beta plus 90 is equal to 180, right? It's clearly visible. So I have a beta here, I got a 90 here, so this should be alpha. Why? Because alpha plus beta plus 90, right, will give me the entire angle. So that's going to be 180. Now if this is alpha, this is going to be 90, so this is going to be beta. And if this is beta, this is 90, this is going to be alpha. If this is alpha, this is 90, I know for sure, and this is going to be beta. If this is beta, this is 90, this is going to be alpha. This is 90, if this is alpha, this is 90, this is going to be beta. So just to mark the angles, that's fine, that looks really good. Now this area is 100, so sides should be 10, because in a square, side into side is equal to area, and that is given to be as 100. So this means one of the side, the value for the side is going to be 10 units. So if a side is 10 units, all of these are 10 units. Now this is 10 units, this is 6 units, so what would be this? So clearly if I were to draw the triangle, I got this to be 6 units. I don't know what is this, so let this be x. This hypotenuse is 10 units. So x squared positive 6 squared is equal to 10 squared. So 100 negative 36, which is 64. So x squared is equal to 64. So x is equal to 8 units. So this is got, right? So we have clearly got x to be equal to 8. So let me write that down. So that is 8 here. Now clearly from this information 6 and 8 we would be able to get this, right? So that will be a simple task for us. Now comparing this triangle with this triangle, I can clearly see that this is going to be 6. Comparing this triangle and this triangle, I can clearly see that this is 8. Therefore this total length is going to be, so if I were to write this as A, B, C, D, we are asked to find the value of BC. So therefore the total BC is going to be 6 positive 8, which is nothing but 14 units. So that is the solution for this question, students. Thank you.